Alright guys, about to do a quick recap here. Uh, I might not take another trade, man, because this doesn't really look too good to me. We have we have nice clear targets up here, but I don't know, bro. This is just garbage. Like, it's kind of the same as yesterday, because like in London and Asia, we kind of expanded quite a bit, and then I was a little iffy, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little iffy, but now look at it. This is like a clear fucking consolidation right here, so that would tell me not to trade for the day. Same as yesterday, but yesterday I was more like what's the word for it? Like I kind of was more in agreement with myself that yeah, this is probably gonna be a bad day. But today I was a little iffy. I'm not gonna lie, but it's not bad. Oh yeah, and yesterday kind of a um clickbait video because I did end up going break even yesterday. So but it was after I uploaded the video though. It was right here. I cut this trade down here to this low. Pretty much got me break even for the day. But yeah, let's go over the trades here. I'm gonna go to this chart and show the executions. As you can see, yeah, I bought here, stopped out, and then I bought again. Like for pretty much in this candle, this 15-minute here. We're probably gonna hit PDH here, previous day's high, but just the way price is moving, man, it's not delivering. But I'm still on this. Okay, I'm still on that. So I'm really not down that much, as you can see. Yeah, right there. Let me make sure I got no orders up there, so you know how it be. I might just call this a day for real. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day because we're down pretty much. A really small amount. I don't want to make it bigger. So yeah, let me go back to the other chart here. Kind of sucks. I was in Desi's I'll be watching Desi live stream. I don't really watch it. I just be listening in the background. And he's shorting. You know what I'm saying? He's shorting this here, and I'm looking for longs. So yeah. So my first trade was, hold on, let me look at my other chart here. Okay, it was right here. Yeah. Okay. In hindsight, I could have avoided this if I waited for a 1 minute tap, but it looked good, man. I can't lie. It looked good. We had a 30-second tap here. You got a CISD here. Entered. My 1-to-1 almost got hit. It was like around here somewhere. I think my stop was below here, yeah. I think my 1-to-1 was, yeah, around Asia high. Almost got hit, so we could have gone away with that unscathed, but it is what it is. But well, this looking like it wants to run higher, bro. This actually looks pretty decent too. You got yourself a nice little SMT right here. You got your inversion. With SMT, these highs up here, we got the reaction from it. Yeah, my full TP was at the previous day's high, but the way price was moving and this candle, this news candle had no fucking wick too. So yeah, I should probably take my trade off because I was already at break even at that point. I was in at 21, and as you can see, I would have got hit break even. My stop was like down here. We're about to hit that previous day's high, man. Let me see if we can catch a trade here real quick. Give me a tap. It would look like this. Swear it took out Asia and got a reaction out of it. Yeah, I like that, I'm not gonna lie. Trying to put my fucking Okay, somewhere around there. I don't want to see a closure below here. No, below here. So realistically, my stop is like, yeah, let's just say 78. Yeah, I'm gonna put my stop. Put it at 78. Come on, bro. God damn, they fucking lagged the fuck out of that shit, bro. Oh, I'm barely down. I was only down like $100. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Oh my goodness. Good thing I fucking put a stop in that bitch, bro. This also looks fucking good, man. Look, there's no wick again, bro. I might start loading up here, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, let me load up on some. Let me just get in one real quick. We're gonna quickly add more and more. Especially get a closure up there. Okay. And add a little bit more here. Okay, I'll put my shit at. Okay. It's been very back and forth, but at the same time, it still makes sense. Okay, we should be able to hit that. Give us that pop. That pop. I'm gonna put my stop at 71. Okay. Come on, bro. It's like they're pussyfooting, bro. I hate that shit. I'm in that like 90, like really bad field, to be honest. I'm in that like fucking 95. Yeah, it's pretty bad field. Bro, what is this? Like, come on, bro. We all know you want to take out that high. And look, they keep lagging it, man. What the fuck is going on, bro? Oh my god. This is actually really fucking pissing me off now. Whoa. So much manipulation, bro. There goes another one right there. Like, it's so clear which way they want to fucking go, man. Like, it's really fucking clear. It's clear as day which way they want to fucking go. They just keep manipulating. I don't getting off at 11. Let me take all of these out, man. Kind of really starting to confuse me here. Give me a nice closure above here. I'm gonna add more above this high here. So annoying. Okay. Bro, don't tell me you gonna react to that. Oh shit. 65. I'm gonna get out at 65. Hopefully this is just the reaction from this SMT. Like we're literally right there at the target. Look at that. Okay, we should be able to hit this. Every time I say that shit, they just reverse it, bro. They reverse it fucking once, twice now. Look, they keep freezing him, man. Okay, we should be able to hit that for real this time. I'm in at 86. Oh yeah, there's a lot of buys coming in. This is literally just a wick. Fucking finally, fucking shit. Holy fucking hell. Oh, okay. You know what? I'll fucking take it, bro. I will take it. Oh yes! Oh yeah! I made $7. What a fucking piece of shit, bro. This is some bull. See, like, I can't even be mad though, man. You know, like a lot of these, see, like this is valid. Like the trade that I took here was valid, but you know, it just that shit is only really valid for certain conditions. This condition is just not it. Like, obviously, you know, the lower the time frame you go, the least likely it's gonna be, you know, effective. But at the same time, for it to be effective, price needs to be extremely aggressive and trendy, and that's not what's going on right now. But I still don't regret taking that. What was it? Was it this one right here? I think it was around here actually. Like, I still don't regret taking that. Was it there? If so, why the fuck did I take that? No, it was right here. Yeah. No, I can't be mad about taking that. It's because we're really close to the target, and you know we were moving pretty aggressively towards that direction, but you know just overall, you know the condition is just not it. Wow, now you guys just want to keep running. Fucking shit, bro. You know, normally, you know, I was supposed, I was in at what, like fucking 80, 81, around here. Yeah, I was around here. See, it was either 81 or 86. And 65 is my stop. Yeah, normally I'm supposed to hold it until like 1 to 2, but you guys can see the fucking conditions we're in. And, you know, this is literally the target here for me. So yeah, I just had to take it off there, man. Yeah, no, fuck it. I'll take it, bro. I'll take it. Um, I made $7 on one account on the Lucid, and I'm down $8 on the Alphas. So you know what? I'll fucking take it, bro. I'll take it. I'll take it, man. But I can't keep doing this though, cause you know the opposite could happen. I could have just made this shit worse and end up either blowing my shit or hitting daily loss limit, which would be pretty unfortunate. So I got out at 12 and 11 because I had 2 6 micros in there, so 12 overall. But shit, look at this bitch. Wow, now you guys are fucking running higher, bro. Like, what the fuck is this? 50 points right there. Could have made an extra 50 points. 50 times. No, 24 actually, because I had 12 contracts. Bro, this is some bullshit, bro. They on some bullshit, bro. Like, it's whenever I'm out of the trade, is when they run it. I'm like, come on, man. You fucking serious, bro? And any normal day, I would, to be honest, I would have been out of the trade because I normally just go for 1 or 2. But yeah, let's just say, 1 or 2 is like up here. In any normal day, especially if I'm not already down in the day. See, I ain't gonna lie, if I wasn't down in the day, then I would have more balls to hold that shit. But yeah, any normal day, I would hold it because we still have these up here on ES. So yeah, but nah, they on some, like, see, like, it was so fucking clear which way they're going, man. It's just, all this bullshit going back and forth. This is the type of shit that would fucking blow me. But yeah, I mean, I'd say I handled it decent. I'm not gonna lie, at the last trade, I kind of oversized in there. If that shit went against me, I would have been fucked. I'm not gonna lie. But at that point, though, they ran this bitch twice with aggressiveness and then immediately fucking recovered. So that kind of told me that, yeah, we're probably gonna run higher. And we SMT this shit right here too. Like, these aren't just your, like, good old, like, typical SMTs. Like, there's a reason. Like, for me, whenever I pick my SMTs, there's certain criteria for it. It's not just, swing highs, swing lows that are, like, SMT. No, it has to be certain swing highs and swing lows. I can't reveal that just yet. Not yet. But yeah, I mean, you guys saw what happened there. Yeah, we had a trade here, here, and then last trade was from here to here. Yeah, and before that, yeah, my trade was like right here. Waited for that, stops here, trying to target pretty much the previous day's high. In hindsight, it would have worked out. Yeah, it would have worked out nicely. But to be honest, that shit would have ran 1-to-1. I would have got hit break even anyway. So yeah. Oh, they're probably gonna hit that high. Normally, I would try to go enter this shit, but I don't like the way prices are moving, bro. Like, I really don't. We're tapping this, we're SMTing that. We're gonna paper trade this. Okay, we got a nice closure. Let's see, 1 to 2 here. All right, that's what we're looking at here. Ain't that some shit, right? Like, as soon as I'm done with my trade, they just keep running that bitch, bro. Like, come on, bro. You couldn't do that when I was in the trade. Like, shit, man. You had to give me the chop shit, the chop fest. But yeah, I'll take a break even day, man. Break even again, just like yesterday. But yeah, let me show you guys that I was break even yesterday. As you can see right there. That was from yesterday. Now, let's see. This is my old eval right here. This is my second eval ever in Lucid. Ooh, we up $14. No, we're down $14. As you can see right there. Kind of sucks that they get rid of the fucking eval account. I wanted to see my stats there. All I know is I had a one losing trade there. But yeah, it's only when I get on the fucking funded stage is when, you know, I start taking losses. It's always like that for some reason. Look at that shit. Just look at that, bro. They about to hit that 1 to 2. They about to hit that 1 or 2. See, like, bro, it's only when I'm done is when they start to make price move nicely. Just look at that, bro. Like, come on, bro. Why can't they do that while I was in the trade, man? Like, really, bro? Like, you see how fucking easy that was? And they had to give me this shit here. Like, come on, man. But I'm pretty sure you guys can already see what I did there. This is a valid SMT. They're not even swings. Not on the 1 minute. We go in the seconds though. They are. And yeah, I'm not gonna go over the last part of that. I'm gonna keep that a secret. Some people probably already know that, but yeah. Yeah, to be honest, man, if I was in this trade, I probably wouldn't have been confident with it anyway. I probably shouldn't breaks while I was in that. So I can't be too mad that shit, you know, that shit worked out. Cause I ain't gonna lie, man, whenever I'm in a paper trade, I be wishing I lose the trade in the paper trade so I don't feel bad about it. But I can't feel too bad about this. Cause yeah, if I took this trade, I would probably be nervous as hell. Solely because how price been moving. And you know, we already took this out here. And we have major SMTs. Cause like honestly this could have easily got violated. But at the same time, this is a very solid trade. Like this is pretty much the same trade I take all the time. But yeah, that's about it, man. I'm gonna upload this shit. I'll see you guys on the next one.